Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about the 2024 MG Comet. The vehicle is standing right in front of us. Let's dive into the vehicle. But firstly, I would like to thank MG Cam for providing their vehicle for a review. All the showroom details will be provided down in the description box. You can definitely check them out and get exciting offers on all the MG cars. So let us get started with the video. So let me firstly come up to the front design. So you can see it is a very Chintu Mintu car, and yeah, the design language is very quirky and quite a weird design language is on offer on the MG Comet. So let me talk about the lights quickly. So you get a connected LED DRL over there. These are the headlights of the vehicle. This is for the high beam, this is for the low beam. Here the MG the MG logo gets illumination at the night, and you have the charging socket over here. Yes, so this is where you can plug in the charger and charge your vehicle. It takes from 10% to 80%, it takes 5 hours to charge, and from 0 to 100 it takes 7 hours. And on a full battery pack it runs to 30 kilometers. Yes, it runs to 30 kilometers. You can see a parking camera is given over here. Yes, and you can see the chrome strip running. A bit of premium stuff has been also added in this car. So let me quickly come up to the side profile of this vehicle. So you can see this is how it looks from the side. It is very small and a cute looking car, definitely, and in black it definitely looks very beautiful. So let me talk about this. So you get a chrome lining running across. Let me talk about the tire size. So you can see Chintu Mintu tires on offer. They are 145/70 R12, yes, 12 inches, and definitely getting a 12-inch alloy is very difficult. So yeah, these are the wheel caps, and this is the top model. Yes, even this has variants. So let me come up to the rear design quickly. You can see electric branding done right there. So let me just show it from the rear. So yeah, this is how it looks from the rear. Yes, it is the connected LED DRL is just played back into the rear side. You can see same symmetric, the design is carrying a lot of symmetry over here. You can see the tail lamps, reflector over there, 2 parking sensors for the rear, and you can see the camera. Okay, the camera is placed over here. Let me just talk about the boot. And MG logo here, Comet written over here. You can see internet inside as it's the MG car, EV written over here. So let me just open the boot. You can see, of course, the boot is not accessible at all. You can just place a gym bag or a duffel bag, but yeah, this car is meant for city use. And this is the charger of the vehicle over here, and you can see warning triangle, first aid kit over there. You can just recline the seats by pulling them if you so called want to carry items over here. So you can do this and you can carry items in this car. But yeah, this is meant for city use, definitely. So let me just close this. A high mounted stop lamp is also on offer on this car. Yes, it is. So let me just come up to the doors. So you can see chrome doors, definitely quite premium. Let me talk about the doors. So you can see the door pads, beautifully done. Of course, this is fabric over here, soft touch material. This is hard plastic, white finish over here, chrome for the door handle, massive door pocket over here. You can place anything you want, anything you wish. Speaker placement given over here, speaker placement given over here. But the major drawback of the door happens to be it's so long that if you are sitting inside the co-passenger side and if you want to pull this, you need to just come out of the car and then pull the door. That's the major drawback. So let me just do this quickly. Okay, from here you can just adjust the seat and get inside. So getting in and out, not an issue. Definitely this is a 3-door version. So let me just pull the seats back. Okay, so you can see the third row is also quite spacious. Like you can definitely 6 feet, 4 people can easily fit inside this cabin. Being 2 parents or 2 children, they can easily fit inside. Legroom is kind of okay. Under thigh support is missing. Let me talk about the headroom. Headroom is decently done. Let me talk about the seats. So yeah, mixed grey finish has been used on the seats and a blue stitching as it's the EV, but the seats quality is very premium and very soft. We don't get any kind of adjustable headrest or that kind of stuff over here. these are fixed headrests on offer in both the cabin. You can see the cabin. Yes, this is how it looks from the front. So let me just get out quickly. For that, doing this again. Alright, nothing much to talk about this car, but yeah, it contains a lots of premium feel over in the dashboard of the vehicle. So you can see how beautiful the screens are. Like, being a small car, a small electric daily commuter car, but it gets beautiful and stunning interiors on offer. Let me just get inside quickly. Closing the doors, you can see. So let me just show you the key. So this is how the key of the vehicle looks. Yes, this is very cute, a rectangle shape. MG logo given over here. This is to lock the car, unlock the car and release the boot. Let me keep the key into the place. So let me talk about the steering wheel. You can see a 2-spoke steering wheel, a very chotu sa steering wheel is on offer, definitely leather wrap. The feel and feedback of the steering wheel is very good steering wheel on offer, definitely. So you have a 10.23 inch unit for the instrument cluster and a 10.25 inch for the infotainment system, which is very beautifully done. So you can see this wonderful screens on offer. Like, the visibility is just on another point, so you can just control. Okay, so these are the steering mounted controls over here. These are the audio controls, and from here you can just control the screen over there. You can see that. Yes, beautiful screens on offer, definitely beautiful screens on offer. And the steering wheel is really very chotusa and very fun to operate. This car is really fun to drive. Like, the driving dynamics are also good. So these are the headlight controls. No automatic headlights on offer, and indicator controls are given over here. This, you can see this here. Yeah, these are the headlight leveler and the outer ORVM controls are placed over here. These are the wiper control. Let me just check the spray. So you can see the wipers are quite decently calibrated and the spray is minimal on offer, but yeah, the wipers does the job done beautifully. You can, let me come up to the instrument cluster over here. You can see this. Let me get into the home. Okay, this might be a bit laggy, but yeah, the screen is decently done, so you can easily operate. At the moment it is lagging a bit. You can see this. I can just lock the screen and again unlock it. You can see a lots of, like, yeah, here the screen is back in play. You can see beautiful screens on offer at this price point, definitely. So let me talk about the AC. So you get chrome strip across the AC, and AC is very premium. You get a silver treatment done over here, fabric over here, white over here, and you get some kind of storage place over here. The dashboard quality, in fact, is very premium. Like, it is very premium, definitely. You can see the gear knob, how beautifully it is done. You can just shift this. You can just do this and shift the gears, definitely, and the orange light does the job done. So let me just show you the rear parking camera. So you can see how beautiful the parking camera is for the rear. You get adaptive guidelines, definitely, and the camera quality is also very decent. So let me just get it into parking. You have the window controls over here. This is up one touch for the upside, and these are the co-driver window controls. This is the electronic parking brake, and for auto hold you get a storage space over here. Yes, so let me talk about this. So you have a hook over here, so you can just hang your things, and you get a Bluetooth and a USB socket over here. From here you can release the boot or the front, and this is the main MACB button, from which you can just after pressing this, the car will be completely shut down. Yes, that's the button over there. So let me talk about the pricing. So it starts at 6.95 lakhs and goes up to 9.53 lakh ex showroom Pune. Yes, yeah, the pricing is on an expensive side. I know the pricing is on an expensive side, and there are, I guess, 4 or 5 variants. I'll list down the variants on the screen, definitely. So otherwise the car is really good. If you are looking forward to buy this car as a daily commuter, you can definitely go for this car and you can definitely buy this car. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I would like to thank MG showroom again, MG Camp again, for providing the vehicle for a review. All the showroom details will be provided down. You can definitely go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And yeah, definitely comment down your thoughts about the new Comet or the 2024 Comet. So yeah, I'll meet you guys in another video very soon. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care. Jai Hind. Love you all.